Hi, I'm Jeff Flowers with Gill Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a vinyl cut sign using a squeegee. So the first thing you want to do with your squeegee is actually go over the vinyl cut over the top of the pre-mask. This will just help make sure that the pre-mask is attached well to the vinyl cut sign. So I'll go over it here. Make sure to get all the smaller copy, and if you've got small periods or anything like that in the copy. So then what I'm going to do is peel up the pre-mask. It should bring the vinyl with it. If you get to a point where the vinyl is trying to stay behind on the liner, just put it back down, squeegee that part real good, and then you should be able to pull it right back up. So this one seems like it's pulling up pretty good here. Helps if you pull it back at a really tight angle like this as well, as I'm pulling it back here. There we go. Okay, so the vinyl is completely removed from the pre-mask. So here it is, like this. And I'm just going to apply it to this desktop surface here. So you just get it where you want it, line it up here. You can smooth it down with your hand if you like, and then take the squeegee again, go over all the vinyl. Again, kind of making sure you go over those thin lines or punctuation to make sure that adhesive grabs on there real well. Then I'm going to grab the corner of the pre-mask here, and again pull it back at a real tight angle here. And then you can use the squeegee if you get any kind of little lifting. You can just kind of go right over it. So right here, the corner of that seed tried to pull up, so just kind of push the pre-mask back down, go over it with the squeegee, and that helps really get the adhesive to bond with that surface. Just kind of pull it back slowly. Watch the bigger copy, the bigger pieces of vinyl are usually going to adhere pretty well. If you've got corners or angles, those you'll want to watch. It's going to be the smaller letters or thinner strokes that you'll want to keep an eye on as you pull this back here. This one seems to be doing pretty good. Keep an eye on it as I pull it back here. So I had a little period here and here, and those stuck fine, so that's good. Just keep watching it. And it always takes time for the adhesive to fully bond with the surface. We usually say 24 to 48 hours. Just depending on the conditions and the surface, so it's not going to be maximum adhesion right away. We got this almost all the way up here. All these letters are sticking real well. There we go. There's the pre-mask. The vinyl is all now adhered to the desktop surface here, and if there's any little spots or bubbles, you can also use the squeegee to kind of go over those to make sure those are all out. There you go. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call and get a hold of customer service, and they'll help you out. Thanks. Bye.